I'm going to show you how you can create new instruments in Metech Instrument Organizer. So first, you should go into the Instruments module and click Create Instruments. Here you will be able to put in a lot of data about your particular instrument. In this case, I'm going to add a Fluke 52, which is a temperature meter used for measuring temperatures. Then I'm going to scroll down here and choose who is the measurement responsible person for this instrument. This is the person that we will contact if we have any questions about your instrument. I'm also going to choose which company owns this instrument because some of our customers have several different companies with one MIO account. Then I'm going to go to the maintenance plan and choose who is the calibration supplier and also what is the planned activity. Here it's really important that you put in the correct information. And for example, this instrument should be calibrated accredited. Then you also have the availability to change the calibration interval. In this case, I'm going to decrease it to 9 months. And if you scroll down, you can see that you can put in information about the calibration procedure or specification. So let's say that we have a special specification for this instrument. I could put that data in here. Now, when I'm happy with the information I put in, I'm going to click here on Create Instrument. Now you'll be able to do a final review of all the information regarding the instrument. If everything looks all right, then you're able to submit the instrument for creation by clicking on Add. Now the instrument has been created and has its own unique M number. You're also able now to create a new instrument with the same values to create time. If you want to know more about what the different type of fields you can put in actually means, we have a great help section. So if you go into the help module and click here help, you're able to see more information about the instrument details and what the different columns and field actually means. So this can be a really good help to know what information you should put in. Thank you for watching.